would be finance, because you go, okay, we've now got to get a budget that's going to work because it's 2 homes now. That would be one. And then dealing with your own emotions and finding a way of dealing with those so that when you're upset, your children can see that you're vulnerable, but at the same time, you're able to work yourself through that, because that gives them life skills to do that themselves. And communication with your partner. The self-love and the personal well-being, it's top and should be priority, because it's like when you're on the airplane, they always say, put your own mask on first. And it's so vital. Like when we are okay, when we are exercising, when we are eating healthy, when we are taking some time out also to heal our soul and heal ourselves, we flourish from that. And when we are flourishing, the environment around us is going to do the same, which basically then means our children. And by when we're looking after ourselves and we're exercising and we're eating healthy, we're actually instilling values. We're giving ourselves wings to fly. And at the same time, we're teaching our children to do it.